Hello everyone! This project today is about a mural. It is a plain round mural which I decided to decorate with crochet and tassels. It is a very simple project and the effect is very rich, it's very warm because of the yarn and so pleasant. So stick with me to see how I did it. To start, I cover the mirror with a piece of paper just to stop reflecting the recording, okay? So I use two yarns, light and dark blue, and I do a crochet chain. Six stitches to be more precise. And in the second I do 2 rows of double crochet. So as I finish the first row, I connect the ends with the start. And I keep going with the second row. So now it's nearly done. Yeah, I finish. And you know that loose ends from when I started? I also connect it with a knot. Then, so I have the mirror and the crochet frame. But before fitting in, you take 2 pieces of yarn and pass through the edges. And I will do it on both sides. And note, I leave the ends open because when I fit in, I have to pull up those ends very tight and just finish it with a knot. Yeah, also doing this on both sides because in doing this I can have my crochet taking the form of the shape of the mirror. Okay, good. So now I have to do the tassels. I use a square coaster to do the loops. I do a few of them, take it out, and just I'm gonna cut the ends of the yarn. That's it. A demonstration now, okay, just how I do the tassels. So I take that bunch of yarn and I divide it into 4 parts. Take one of them, fold in the middle and just secure with a knot. And I take another piece of yarn to do very tight loops around the tassel's head, okay, the top part of the tassels. And after a few loops, I finish it with an inner knot, okay, the one that you pass through the inner side. So I did 12 tassels and I attached them using a crochet needle. And also I attached a crochet chain at the back of the mirror to be able to hang it on the wall. And here is my mirror, okay, with the crochet frame and the tassels at the bottom. I think it's really cool. Look at this on my wall. It is a very easy project and it gives a great boost to your home decor. So why don't you give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Remember, Be My Joy, it is also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and now we have a brand new website. Check it out, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.